BuzzBox clients, welcome to this tutorial. I'll show you how to create an IVR menu. For example, when someone calls your office and they press 1 for sales, 2 for support, 3 for accounts, 4 for reception, etc, etc. So go to your web browser on your laptop or your computer, go to the very top and type in your web browser, type in your company name, .buzzbox.cc. So mine is different. Mine is buzzbox.buzzbox.cc. Yours will be different. So your company name .buzzbox.cc. Log in with your username and password, which are both in the welcome email I sent you when you first signed up to BuzzBox on day 1. So log in, press enter. The very last white box, click on Access Advanced Administration Panel. So click on the very last white box. Okay, and you've already logged in with your password, so that's fine. Okay, so at the very top, go to Applications. Scroll down, click on IVR. Okay, this is to create your IVR menu. So go to Add IVR on the right. Now, on the left, where it says IVR name, you can type in whatever name you want. I'm going to type in welcome menu. The computer hates like spaces and gaps and commas and full stops, so I'm just going to do all one word. I'm just going to write welcome menu, make it easier. In announcement, click the announcement that you've already recorded. You've already recorded this via your handset. So you've already recorded your press 1 for sales, press 2 for support message. So click on the one that you have recorded. I am going to pick welcome message. Okay, then for direct dial, you can click on extensions. Then for timeout, you can type 3 seconds, just type 3. Invalid retries, you can do 0. Invalid recording, you can click none. Invalid destination, you can click ring groups if you want. Ring groups, extensions. If you want, it's up to you. Timeout retries, you can click 0. Timeout retry recording, you can click none. Timeout recording, you can click none. And then timeout destination, you can pick whatever you want. I'm going to pick ring groups. So ring groups, that will go to everybody in my ring group. So it'll ring everybody at the exact same time. So for example, if someone presses, normally it would be like press 1 for sales, press 2 for accounts, press 3 for support, etc. If someone presses 6 or 7, which doesn't exist, the call has to go somewhere. So your timeout destination, I've chosen it to go to my ring groups, but you can choose whatever, if you want it to go to your voicemail or an extension, so you can pick whatever one you want. Okay, so then we're finished. Well, the last thing at the very end is extension. So let's say someone presses 1 for sales. So then the destination is whoever is on my sales team. So I'm going to pick extensions, and 6001, that's my salesperson. And then just press the green button to add. So if someone presses 2 for support, I'm going to pick who's in charge of my tech support. So I'm going to pick extensions, and my tech support is 6002. And then if someone presses 3 for accounts, I'm going to pick the person, the accountant, who is in charge of accounts or billing. So extension, and they are on extension number 3. And then number 4, if someone presses 4 for the warehouse, I know the warehouse, they all use mobile phones because they have to run around the warehouse. So I'm not going to pick extension for the warehouse because they're all on mobiles. So I'm going to pick ring groups. And I know in the ring group, I have added all their mobile phones, so their 07 mobiles in that ring group. I've already added that. So that will go to that ring group, and that'll do all that. And then you can add as many as you want by pressing the green plus. Or if you make a mistake, you can just press the little grey bin to delete, and then you can just try add again. Then click submit at the very bottom in the grey box, and then you're finished with that. So the final and last thing is go to the very top, click on connectivity up here, scroll down to inbound routes, and then on the right, click on your number. You might only have one number, you might have 10 numbers. So click on your number, your main number, your main office number that people call. So I am going to pick my main office number, which is this one, 0203. So when people call that number, then on the left scroll down, and the most important thing here is destination. So you want to set the destination to the IVR which you've just created. So that's IVR, and then in your IVR, whatever you have called it, if you've called it welcome menu, I think I called it survey or welcome menu 2 or something like that. Whatever you've called yours. And then click on submit in the grey button, and then at the very top here beside other, you must click the red button that says apply config. If you don't press the apply config button, nothing will happen, and all your hard work will have gone out the window. So you must click the apply config button up here in red, and then you're finished. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial on how to create an IVR menu. Thank you. Bye.